Okay, greetings folks. We're at Koyasan today, and just a quick update on the workshop in October. We've had quite a few requests for a 10-day workshop. So the first 10 days in October we'll do the usual course outline for 10 days, and then we'll continue for the full month for the instructor's course. So those of you who want to book in for the 10-day workshop, you're quite welcome to do that. I know a lot of people couldn't get the full month off for holidays and so forth. So we'll open that up. Pari made herself available for any calls if you want information. So you can, in the description of the video, we'll put the website address and a calendar link. So you can just book in on the calendar for a conference call with Pari, and she can answer any questions if you might have, if you want to know about the workshop or anything else training related. The property in Japan is that's come through, so we bought a house in Japan. Pick up the keys later in the week, so that'll be fun doing renovation. And for next spring we'll do a workshop at Kyoto at Makoto's dojo again. And then after that workshop we'll have a seniors course at the new house. I won't have a dojo built, but we'll just do it in the house for a small group. We'll be working on a 4-week program, which will be a combination of initiation, evocation and Kabbalah. So that 4-week course will be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to that. That 4-week course is open to anyone who's done the 10-day workshop in the past. So I'm basically combining the 3 books into 1 month. This is more if people want to teach Hermetics, to go through all the fundamentals and put it together. I'm not sure how many people I'm going to open that up to. I think in the lounge room at the new house we can comfortably sit 8 to 10 people, so I think that's going to be the max. Next spring we'll start building, we'll get a company most probably to build the dojo, so the following year we can run some workshops there that are a bit larger. But for now we're sort of limited to those types of numbers. In October next year we'll do another 1 month, but location undecided yet. There's at the moment 4 people coming to help out with the renovations next month for the new house. It's in at the base of Koyasan. This is Koyasan Mountain where I am now, and at the bottom of this mountain we found a spot on the river, and I'll post some videos about that shortly. It's a 5-bedroom house, so we'll put a few bunk rooms in for people who have been training with me who want to come and practice there. I'll be there every spring and autumn. It'll be the yearly routine for practice there, and we'll be coming up here a lot to practice as well because it's just so beautiful. Okay, any questions? Just message Pari, book in on her call schedule, and have a call with her, and you can ask anything you like about the workshop. Thanks for your time, everyone. See you all soon.